Hello my dear students, welcome to my channel Learning Accounts with Veena. In previous video I have explained solvency ratios with the help of some questions. In continuation of this chapter, today I will explain you turnover ratios. In this video I will take inventory turnover ratio and some questions for calculating inventory turnover ratio. Let us start with activities ratios. Activities ratios are also known as turnover ratios. These ratios measure the efficiency and rapidity of the resources of the company like inventory, fixed asset, working capital, trade receivables, etc. These ratios are generally calculated on the basis of revenue from operation or cost of revenue from operation. Inventory turnover ratio is calculated in times, number of times. In formula for calculating ITR or inventory turnover ratio is equal to cost of revenue from operation. This is also known as cost of goods sold divided by inventory. Cost of revenue from operation or cost of goods sold. For calculating cost of revenue from operation or cost of goods sold, there are two methods. If you have given in the question opening inventory, purchases, direct expenses, closing stock, closing inventory, then you have to apply this first formula. Cost of revenue from operation is equal to opening inventory plus purchases plus direct expenses plus wages plus other direct charges minus closing inventory. Like this. On trading account, this is opening stock, purchases less purchase return. Okay. Then you have to take direct expenses like wages, carriage, etc. And here you have to take revenue and closing stock is given. Closing stock means closing inventory is given. So how will you calculate? If these informations are given, then you have to calculate cost of goods sold like this. Opening stock plus purchases minus purchase return plus direct expenses minus closing inventory. Okay. Cost of revenue is equal to, if these informations are not given, you have given revenue from operation. Revenue from operation means sales. If sales are given and gross profit is given, so you have to calculate like this. Revenue from operation minus gross profit is equal to cost of revenue from operation. Okay, if loss is given in the question instead of profit, so revenue from operation plus gross loss is equal to cost of revenue from operation. Okay, then you have to find out average inventory. As you know, opening inventory plus closing inventory divided by 2. Next is, this ratio can be used for comparing similar type of business, the efficiency of sales policies of two firms doing same type of business or similar type of business. Okay. And next is inventory turnover ratio of the current year is compared with previous year. The management can assess whether inventory has been more efficiently used or not. This ratio can be used for comparing similar type of two firms. Okay. And next is, the inventory turnover ratio of the current year may be compared with that of previous year so that the management can assess whether the inventory has been more efficiently used or not. The important point regarding this is the higher inventory turnover ratio indicates that the management policies are more efficient. So it is good for the company if company has higher inventory turnover ratio. Okay. Then in the last, you have to calculate average age of inventory. Average age of inventory means holding period. How much time you are holding your inventory. Okay. So then ITR can also be converted into number of days. Like this. This average age of inventory or inventory holding period is equal to days in a year. Like this. There are 365 days. Divided by ITR, which you have already calculated before this by applying formula of ITR. Okay, divided by number of times. So you will get average age of inventory is number of days. If you want to calculate average age of inventory in weeks, so then you have to take 52 instead of 365 because there are 52 weeks in a year. If you want to calculate it in a month, so you have to take 12 months divided by time. Generally, it is calculated in number of days. Let me take one example. From the following information, calculate the inventory turnover ratio. Revenue from operation sales. Revenue from operation means sales are given as 2 lakh. Okay. Then gross profit is 25% on cost. Remember this thing, cost is not given in this question. Opening inventory was 1/3 of the value of closing inventory and closing inventory was 30% of revenue from operation. First of all, I have to calculate cost of revenue from operation. Okay. How will you calculate? Gross profit is 25% on cost. Whatever is given after this profit percentage, you have to suppose that if it is not given in the question. So let me suppose cost price as 100. Then GP is equal to 25% of cost. That means 25. Cost plus profit is equal to revenue 125. As I have already told you that whatever is given in the question, you have to write it here. 2 lakh. This is revenue. Okay. So in diagonal, you have to write this revenue 125. And whatever you want to calculate, you have to write here. That is cost 100. So is equal to 1,60,000 is the cost of revenue from operation. Cost of revenue from operation. Okay. Then opening inventory was 1/3 of the value of closing inventory and closing inventory was 30% of revenue from operation. Therefore, closing inventory is equal to 30% of this revenue from operation is given in the question 2 lakh. Okay. So you have to write it here 2 lakh. $60,000. This is closing inventory. Now you have to find out opening inventory. Opening inventory is equal to 1/3 of closing inventory. 1/3 of closing inventory. Just now you have find out 60,000. So it means opening inventory is 20,000. This one, and opening inventory is 20,000. Opening plus closing divided by 2 is equal to average inventory 40,000. And you have to calculate in this question inventory turnover ratio. Formula for calculating ITR is equal to cost of revenue from operation divided by average inventory. Cost is 1,60,000, just now I have calculated, divided by 40,000 average inventory is equal to 4 times. Next question is, from the following information determine the opening inventory and closing inventory. Inventory turnover ratio is given as 5 times. Revenue from operation is equal to rupees 8 lakh and gross profit is 25%. Closing inventory was 20,000 more than the opening inventory. Solution is like this. ITR is equal to inventory turnover ratio is equal to cost of revenue from operation divided by average inventory. How will you calculate cost of revenue from operation is equal to, this revenue is given as revenue minus gross profit is equal to, revenue is 8 lakh minus GP is 25% of revenue 8 lakh is equal to 8 lakh minus 2 lakh is equal to 6 lakh is the cost of revenue from operation. Cost of revenue from operation. Now ITR is given as 5 times and cost of revenue is 6 lakh divided by average inventory is, suppose opening inventory is X, closing inventory is equal to 20,000 more at the X plus 20,000 divided by 2 को you can write like this, 2:1. Okay. Therefore, X is equal to 1,10,000. Therefore, X is opening inventory. Now, therefore, closing inventory is equal to opening inventory 1,10,000 plus 20,000 more is equal to 1,30,000. From the following information, calculate inventory turnover ratio. Revenue from operation sales are given as 16 lakh, average inventory is 2,20,000 and gross loss is equal to 5%. So ITR is equal to, inventory turnover ratio is equal to cost of revenue from operation divided by average inventory. Average inventory. Cost of revenue from operation is equal to 16 lakh is the amount of revenue. Gross loss is given as 5%. So you have to add this loss, 5% of 16 lakh. Divided by average inventory is given as 2,20,000 is equal to if you want to find out average age of inventory in this question, average age of inventory is equal to days in a year divided by ITR. This is also known as holding period. The days in a year is 65 divided by 7.64. This is equal to 16 lakh plus 80,000 divided by 2 lakh 20 is equal to 16 lakh 80,000, 2 lakh 20,000. $7.64 times